Oh, hey, what's up, guys? So we are at Lake Garnett. It's like 11th Grand Prix. If you guys don't know what Lake Garnett Grand Prix is, look it up. It's been going on for like 100 years. This is the 11th one with the new revised and repaved road, and then like we kind of revived the whole process of driving out here. But yeah, so we drive around the lake. Trent, you want to show them the lake? Yeah, we just did our first session, and I got yelled at by a guy because I was driving too close to his bumper. He's in a new GR 86, but whatever. So he can't outdrive the Miata and get out my way. Nah, that's a bad attitude to have. But yeah, we just drive the Miata out here. So oh yeah, the Miata's not very fuel efficient.
for today then, huh? Not driving tomorrow?
No, I signed up for the autocross, but I don't want to drive all the way over to the...
Okay. I got a number of complaints about you crowding people on the track. I said, give each other room when you're on the track, okay?
Yeah. Well, that's... Yeah.
No.
I'm not making excuses or complaining or anything. I got...
There is no excuse.
I got came up and talked to me. Yeah, no, I completely understand that was me. But no, I'm not.
So if you come back next year, I better see some room between your front bumper and their rear bumper when you're not in the passing zone. Okay?
There you go. Yep.
Clear?
Of course, clear.
You a good driver?
Oh, that's...
Are you a good driver? Yes or no?
No.
Yes, you are.
No,
that's why you buy a car like this.
No,
because you're a good driver.
No, it's not. I think that's all speculation. If you're a good driver or not.
Dude, here's the deal.
Yeah.
A good driver will make room no matter what.
Of course.
It doesn't matter. Excuses are like assholes. Everyone has them. Okay.
Understand.
Your responsibility while you're in this car and you're on that track and you're outside the passing zone is you need at least a car link between you and the car ahead of you at all times. End of story. No matter what. That's your responsibility. If you do not hold up your responsibility, I'm going to talk to you about it. If someone else is swerving in front of you, I'm going to talk to that guy for being erratic. It just keeps, everyone has a responsibility.
No, I understand.
Okay. So that was yours. So once you come back next year, have some fun again. Hope you enjoyed it. This is your first time?
The second time.
Second time. Okay. Come back next year, all right? All right.
Yeah. Well, we just ran the second session. We only get 2 sessions on Saturday. It's kind of a 2-day event. So we have tomorrow, but there's an autocross tomorrow, so stay tuned for that video. Heath is actually going to be co-driving me in this tomorrow. So, but yeah, so tomorrow, so there's just 2 sessions today. Pretty good time. It's like noon, so really early. It's an hour and 15 minutes drive home, but hopefully we'll be going or have a good easy night tonight. Then we can drive tomorrow. We gotta edit this video for you guys and that kind of stuff. But yeah, car did really good. The alignment's kind of off again, but it's almost the end of the season, so we'll just kind of leave it. I'm not gonna band-aid it again, and then we'll just see what Heath can do with tomorrow, and then we have the Halloweeny, and then Trent and I are going to Japan. So yeah, stay tuned for all that stuff, and then yeah, it was a pretty good session today. So good driving, knock some track rust off. So HPDE national champion right here. Well, that's a wrap on Lake Garnett Day Saturday. We received a formal complaint because I apparently was following the cars in front of me too close. You guys be the judge in the footage. I mean, if you're gonna bring your car to an HPDE track thing, then maybe get your Haggerty insurance so you don't have to worry about the guy behind the jackass behind you following too close. But no, it was a good time. Always a good time here at Lake Garnett. I highly recommend you guys get out here and try your car out. If you're, Kansas, Missouri kind of area. It's Oklahoma. It's kind of in the middle of nowhere. But it's a super cool event, and really anybody can come out and have fun. But yeah, that's a wrap. We have autocross tomorrow, and I think my brakes are kind of toasted. They actually are. They were getting pretty hot. But no, like I said, it was a good time. And yeah, we received those complaints, but we won't let that stop us. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and we will catch you boys in the next one.